Hey Stacy, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and requesting this custom video. So today I'm going to show you a few things that you can do to improve the visibility of your website and to help you guys get more organic leads. So as you can see, we are on your website. You have a cute logo. I like that. We want to make sure that your website has separate pages for each of their services, which it looks like it probably does. When ranking websites, content is key, so we want to make sure that you have enough content. Okay. Testimonials are always a good thing. Looks like you guys have a blog. So that's great because you want content, tons of content. You want more content than all of your competitors. Okay. Let me see. I can't tell what your service area is. If it's just in the Prior Lake area, Lakeville, or where you guys service. Let me see. Other areas. Okay. So it looks like you have two hyperlinks. So you have two service pages. I would venture to bet that a lot of these other communities have some search volume and should get their own page. Burnsville isn't that small. Bloomington's not too small. Eden Prairie. Some of these areas have pretty good volume there. So I would think that you should have a separate page for every single one of these that has any search volume for the services that you're offering, because you want to be one of the first people that they can see um, when they have those emergencies. So Google doesn't rank your website based on appearance. They have robots called crawlers that go and index every single one of these pages, looking for all of your content so they can index those keywords, rank you for those keywords, and put you in front of your customers. And being in the emergency service industry, it's even more critical that you can be easily found when somebody has those emergencies. Google likes to see a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage, targeting those buyer intent keywords, which are the keywords that people are actively searching when they're looking for your services and they have those emergencies. So you really need to make sure that you dial in your content and are focused on the right keywords. That goes not just for your homepage, but your back pages as well for each of your services and service areas. Rapid Restoration is one of your top competitors in your service area for water restoration. They have an okay website. They have more content. They're going after those buyer intent keywords that are location based, which is exactly what you should be doing. And they got a little bit more content, but not by a whole lot. So in order to beat these guys, you're going to need to have more content. You're going to need to make sure you have all the appropriate pages and service pages. And then build your SEO off of that. This is a program called Ahrefs that helps us to analyze how your website is performing. You have a rating of a 14, which is for your website as a whole. It's not too bad, but it's not greatest either. But the score is based off of your referring domains and backlinks. You got over 3,500 backlinks and only a score for 14, which tells me that you have quite a few backlinks that aren't helping you and are actually hurting your website. They're probably either no follow backlinks, are completely not related to your industry, or are spam backlinks. And so not all backlinks are created equal. You want to go and make sure that you get high quality, authoritative backlinks. And you need more than your top competitors. And it also looks like a good majority of those backlinks are pushed to your homepage and your blog. And SEO on your blog is great, but depending on how the articles are written, if you're not focused on the keywords that are interlinking with your service pages and you're not interlinking and getting them to your services, they're just informational and you're getting people on your website that aren't going to convert. So making sure you dial in those strategies are going to be key. You are currently being indexed for 374 keywords, but you're only seeing 149 people on average to your website every month. And that's because of your backlinks and how they're being attached. And I'll show you that in a second. So your website is very important because 70% of people 70% of leads are going to be generated from your website. So making sure that it's optimized correctly is going to be very important for you guys. When we look at your competitor, they only have a 6 and they have 1,270 different backlinks. They have 2,400 keywords that they're indexed for because they have a lot more pages. They got pages for their service areas. And they're getting over 1,700 people to their website every month, which is still missing quite a bit. So this just goes to show you the type of volume you're really missing out on by not having your website optimized correctly. Now, backlinks are when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this website is to your services, the more power and authority it's going to give you and the higher it's going to rank you. So it is important that they do follow backlinks so that they share that power. And it's also important that these backlinks are being linked to your keywords. If we take a quick look, most of your backlinks are brand names or they're being linked to your blogs. There's nothing wrong with linking to your blogs, but it's not helping you rank for your keywords, which are the services that you need to be ranking for so that people can find you and you can get more clients. So the last thing I want to talk about real quick is the Google My Business section or Google Map Pack. In Prior Lake, you are in the top 3, but if you branch out a little bit further, that is not the case. So you want to be in the top 3 for all of your service areas and your relevant keywords because 30% of people come directly here and they don't go any further. So in order to be in this top 3, you need to have citations. You need more citations than your top competitors in each of your service areas. And citations is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, Yellow Pages, etc. And if you follow all of these tips I provided you today, your website can become #1 across Google for all of your service areas and all of your service keywords. Thank you for watching this video. It is intended to be educational. However, if you do need assistance working on these issues and getting your website to rank, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching and I look forward to talking to you soon.